bitches. So in today's video I got these two special boxes and I wish there was a label on top of each box, but I don't know. So this is gonna be a surprise just for you, just as me. Or how does the saying go? Just as me, just as you. I'm so dumb. Anyways, let's keep on going with the boxes. I'm so curious to know what's in them. I know what's in them, but I don't know which one's which. So it's much as a surprise that it is to me as it is to you. There you go. It took me long enough. Okay, so we're gonna open this top box, and I believe each of the boxes are gonna have their own videos. So if you see me looking the same for the next 2 or 3 videos, there you go. I showered. I don't know what that means. Oh yeah, so this box comes from Stilt's collection off Macher. I've had a purchase from them recently. I got the orange fluorescent mask and it was beautifully packaged like this. If I can even open this. But yeah, I highly recommend it. It's another person in the hobby that loves to collect, and they go off getting special masks and selling them at a good price. So if you're interested in that, go check them out. I highly recommend. Damn, he's packaged it all nice. Look at that. That's fancy. Damn, no roaches, nada. Alright, enough of me being started. I'm so shaky because like this, what's inside here is like such a big deal, and I don't know if I'm even properly gonna open it. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Night Shift. I think that's his YouTube name. Thank you so much for getting me one of these. It means a lot, and thank you for supporting my channel. He's a really good YouTuber. You guys should definitely check him out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I saw a little glimpse. But you guys are gonna take the first look because you guys are special, specialer than me. Okay, that's not even a word, but let's pull it out. I'm scared. I don't know if I'm touching it wrong. That's what she said. Okay, you guys get the first look. I'm not looking. I don't know where to put this. Do you guys see this? All right, my turn. Oh my god. It's a crow mask. It's a gold crow mask, but not just any gold crow mask. Do you see that signature, honey? Oh my gosh. Guess whose signature it is? It is Matthew Lillard's signature. I don't know how to properly display this. I'm so scared of the signature rubbing off, but this is a Matthew Lillard signature on a Ghostface golden chrome mask. I have the chrome mask but not the golden one, but this one's so cool, and the fact that it's written with golden Sharpie. Oh, I don't know, I feel shaky. I don't even think I'm handling this properly. I need gloves. This belongs in the museum. I'm like shaking. This is crazy. Bro, I would have been shaking more if I met Matthew Lillard. Like, imagine I'd be like, I'm gonna need you to sign like something out of each movie that I really love. But I'm so happy I get his signature. I would love to meet him at a con someday. Please, please, Matthew Lillard, come to the McAllen RGB South Texas Comic Con. Please. I would cry. Because, oh my god, this is so crazy. The mask itself, I wouldn't have paid this amount of money, but it has a signature. Technically, Night Shift donated it, so thank you, Night Shade. Or Night Shift. This is so cool. The shroud is a poly shroud. The tag is not bent. It is perfect with this layer. Ignore that. There you go. Can you see it? Thank you. And then this is the back of the tag. Let me focus it some more. So the golden Ghostface golden chrome mask was originally featured, I believe, in Scream 5 apart, like Stab 5 movie. They made like Ghostface be like karate chopping and stuff, like Bruce Lee face. I don't know, but it was funny. And so yeah, thank you so much, Stilt's Collectibles, for working with me on getting this. I don't even know how to put this properly, but this is the inside of the mask. Bro, it looks like I could put like cake batter on it and can make like a Ghostface shape cake. Has a string. I'm obviously not gonna wear it. I think this is like a sticker of authenticity. Spanish is my first language, guys. Don't bully me too hard. I don't think you can see that. Obviously you can't with that in the way. Okay, so this is those Collectibles. This is their pages. Please go and follow them and check their pages out. Thank you so much for the smooth transaction. Amazing seller. Packaged everything nicely, not like a crunch wrap. This is their socials. And then this is the certification number, basic certification JSA, meaning that that's Matthew Lillard's signature. I can't even post the pictures of the pictures that came with the slide, and I just highly recommend this. I don't know, I just highly recommend buying from them, doing business. So that was in box number 1. If you guys want to see what's in box number 2, expect for the newest video that's gonna be there, so you guys can see all the attention on this mask. And this mask, honestly, this is the reason why I even went hunting for this type of mask. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe. Hello, like, you're helping me. You can even watch my videos on mute and you'll still